The world was weary, cold and torn, when in the dark the child was born. No trumpet blast, no grand parade, but peace on earth that night was made. Peace began that night when love embraced the light. The world was changed by heaven's plan when God became the Son of Man.
The cries of babes and angels blend, a gift of peace that knows no end. Through every storm, through darkest fight,